make a nest there? Are you trying to nest right where the walkway is? Yeah.
Lemon, cayenne, and stevia.
With acai in it. Okay, and where are we heading here?
To the Illumi Garden.
This is the Illumi Garden.
I think it's someone's home, part of someone's home that they just have a bunch of like wrought iron art and like sculptures in that they kind of open up to the town. And they have some tea in there too that you can drink.
Okay, let's go. Sit here and play chess. Mm-hmm. This is their tea. We can sit down and have tea and lay down on the hammock. Off to the theater to see Frankie's play. And what's the play about, Alisa?
It takes place in the 1920s and it's about women who are now starting to work and just the struggles that they're facing being working women, because you know, usually in that time men were the ones who brought home the bacon.
So, is Mill Valley really pretty out here?
Yeah,
It's just above San Francisco is where we're at. Mill Valley above San Francisco. And we're making our way to the Playhouse after we've had some juice at a little juice bar place. And we're heading on up. Vegan menu, and we got plenty of plantain chips, fried plantain, sweet plantain, avocados, rice, beans, salad, and their famous soul food hot sauce to go with it. And boy, was it good.